Robots are no longer a concept of the future. They're here, transforming industries and redefining jobs. But what does this mean for you and me?
Welcome to our channel. Today we delve into a pressing question. Will a robot take my job? As artificial intelligence and automation evolve, it's crucial to understand their impact on our careers and daily lives.
Meet David Ruggiero, a test engineer at Too Simple, a company pioneering autonomous trucking. These self-driving trucks navigate highways, make decisions, and operate with minimal human intervention.
My role is to ensure the truck understands its environment and operates safely. It's a partnership between human oversight and machine efficiency.
While these advancements promise increased safety and efficiency, they also raise concerns for the millions employed in driving professions. Beyond transportation, automation is reshaping various sectors. In manufacturing, robots handle repetitive tasks with precision. In offices, AI manages data analysis and customer interactions. Even in hospitality, service robots are becoming commonplace. Change can be daunting, but it also brings opportunities. By upskilling and adapting, individuals can stay relevant in the evolving job market.
Consider learning new technologies, embracing lifelong learning, and focusing on uniquely human skills, empathy, creativity, and critical thinking.
The future isn't about humans versus machines, it's about collaboration. By integrating AI into our workflows, we can enhance productivity and open doors to new career paths.
So, will a robot take your job? Possibly. But with the right mindset and skills, you can thrive in this new era. Embrace the change, and let's shape the future together. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content on technology and the future of work, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's navigate the age of AI together.